Yo, today, M-Bucket TV is gonna bring you Birds in the Hood. That's right, Birds in the Hood. Stay tuned, y'all gonna love this.
Look at
the birds ready to eat.
Seymour.
They want the free drinks and the weed. Feed me. I ain't got nothing but this weed.
He gonna drop his fucking camera. That shit gonna break. Oh, nigga.
Look at the birds. That's what that's foggy salted. Birds in the hood.
Mad fucking big ass seagulls.
Mad birds. Look at them. Waiting for somebody with a chain.
There's 4 of them in there, right?
It's like,
There's like
15 of them.
There's like 4 or 5.
Man, that birds video was funny, wasn't it? Wasn't what you thought it was. Anyway, M-Bucket TV, check it out, YouTube. Peace.